The 4-point rightness workshop is a beautiful inquiry and a beautiful study into what does it take to live in rightness. Now, to live in rightness is in accordance to the 4 points. Now, the 4 points simply means, in me being right for you, how is it right for me? Because in it being right for me, it's right for you, it's right for us. In being right for us, how is it right for all? Now, this is a very, as common sense as it sounds, this is what we are exploring into. How have I lived in accordance with rightness? Or have I lived in a way that violates rightness? Violation of rightness can be easily seen as how I insist of how I am right, or insisting life or the other is right for me. To live in rightness, or to live seeking rightness, or in the awareness of seeking rightness, is to live considering these 4 points. For what I know is that the more can only come to be, the more of possibility, the more of what more is here to me than just a creature that's here to survive. The more that is there to be lived out as me can only come to be when this rightness is lived. And this exploration goes through a series of reflections, lectures, experiential exercises, and it's truly a powerful and awareness-provoking learning weekend. I invite you to come and explore what more, just from this simple question, what more can there be to this entity besides the reference of the past that has been given to me, or the more of the survival that has been sold to me? Is there anything more to this entity that is alive as me here? And to what extent can I come to reveal that? Can that be revealed? Depends on the rightness that I live. And this is the beauty that Dhyan Vimal brings through the 4 points of rightness. And this workshop is a beautiful exploration, a beautiful starting step for one to inquire into it.